Hello, welcome to ActivInspired. Today we're going to answer a question from Kelly in Nevada. Hello. The question is, how do I get started with ActivInspire? Excellent question. So of course, the first thing you need is a computer that has ActivInspire on it. And if you don't have it yet, then you need to go to our support site, which is support.prometheanworld.com, and you need to download it. There's going to be a nice convenient link right there on the home page. Just click that, put your information in, download the software, and you're golden. There's another link on the support site that says download free resource pack. You definitely don't want to miss that. That's going to have all kinds of sounds, pictures, templates, everything you need to make a really amazing and engaging lesson. The next thing I would suggest is to use your ActivInspire with an active panel. That's where you're going to get the connectivity, the interactivity, the engagement, collaboration with your students. It's going to be really fun. And that is, in my opinion, the best way to use ActivInspire. So make sure you're connecting to an active panel. Finally, the next thing you need is a license key to unlock the fullness of ActivInspire. So there's going to be a code on the back, on a sticker on the back of the active panel. Just type that in when you first open ActivInspire. That's going to give you access to every single tool and everything amazing ActivInspire has to offer. Thank you for submitting a question, Kelly, and thanks everyone out there for watching.